Stop and listen very closely. What if I told you that in the next 30 minutes you could turn any simple idea or keyword into viral videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and more? Audiobooks that sound like premium streaming content in any niche and any language. Best for Spotify, Audible, Google Play Books, etc. Ready to publish ebooks that sells like tsunami on Amazon, Kobo, iBooks, etc. All from one single dashboard and in 100+ languages. No writing, no recording, no editing, no manual work. Just type a single idea, click twice, and watch an entire content empire build itself. Videos, audiobooks, ebooks, all done in under 60 seconds. And not just regular boring videos, audios, and ebooks. You can create videos that makes viewers stop scrolling and get them glued to the screen. Audiobooks that can get millions of plays on Spotify. Ebooks that sells and generates thousands of dollars.